Well, lots of progress. Trailer's pretty much ready to go. I just need to put the axles on, which I'm printing right now, but I've already got an original set of axles right there. And I just made some changes because it was a little bit hard to put together. So for the novices, I made it much easier so it's a simpler design. I'm going to try that and then attach it. I already know this works. I just made an adjustment here, so this was an easier axle to assemble. But essentially that's going to go under there. We got the ramps, and wow, that looks like wood. Oh, if it was painted or in wood filament. Anyways, we got a little bit of diamond plate there. The ramps connected. We got a nice little small dozer on there. And then we got the front. We got a little step for the worker guys. We have D-rings here. You can connect your binders to that. And then we have the front here where you put your binders and chains. And at the front, we've got 3 positions to place this. So I have it on the top, but you can put it in the middle or the bottom and it'll hold. You got your legs here. And then the wood boards, I've got some designs. So again, these are all fake looking wood, but let's just put that there. These are all the different lengths you need to make it happen. And again, buy the wood color filaments, and then you can have the wood ramps, or get real wood, and then I'll give you the measurements on what you need to cut each piece, and then glue it down. I think glue is going to be good enough. These are not crazy machines that are super heavy. You're going to tear everything up. So you can just do that, and they'll be in place, and there you go. It's holding the weight. The weight's there and there. And it's not buckling. And I don't even have all the fasteners to secure it. As you can see, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. There's supposed to be 10 in total. And then there's a brace underneath here. There's supposed to be another one on the other side, which I haven't done yet. There's another one here. There's another brace I haven't put in yet. And there's only like 4 screws held together. This is a different setup, and I've made this even better than what it is right now. So yeah, there you go. Quick little video.